Now we see the class 10th of exercise 1.1, question number 5. The question is, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So solution that at first let x be positive integer by apply Euclid's division lemma. It is of the form of 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. So we have the following cases. It is just like as a question number 4. There are 3 cases. When case number 1, case 1. Case 1 is let when x is equal to 3q, जब x 3q के इक्वल हो. तो जैसे कि क्वेश्चन 4 में, इन द क्वेश्चन 4 we take square of this expression. Here we take the cube of the expression. Taking cube both sides of this expression, we get दोनों तरफ का क्यूब लेने पर हमें मिलेगा x is equal to 3q whole cube, and the 3q whole cube, the cube of the 3 means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27, and cube, and we can write it as 9 3s are 27, so 9 into 3 cube we can write it, and the bracket इसको हम ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे, और इसे लिख सकते हैं, we can write it 9m where m equals to 3 cube. इसके बाद आफ्टर दैट केस नंबर 2. केस 2 when x equals to, जैसे कि यहाँ पे लिया गया था x is equal to 3q, we take here x is equal to 3q. Similarly we take here x equals to 3q plus 1, and the same process, बिल्कुल इसी प्रोसेस से हम जो है इसका क्यूब ले लेंगे, दोनों तरफ का, दोनों पक्षों का क्यूब ले लेंगे. Similarly we take as this x to the power 3 equals to 3q plus 1 whole cube. So 3q plus 1 whole cube, the formula of, we use the formula a plus b whole cube is equal to a to the power 3 plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. ये फॉर्मूला है a plus b whole cube का. तो we put here the value of, in place of a we have to write 3q, and in place of b we have to write 1. So this is equal to x equals to 3q whole cube plus 3 into 3q square into 1 plus 3 into 3q into 1 square plus 1 to the power 3, and we get here 3 cube means 27 cube, and 3 square is 3 3s are 9, और 9 into 3 27, तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 27 क्यूब स्क्वायर प्लस 3 3s are 9 क्यूब, और 1 का स्क्वायर 1 होता है, सो 9 into 1 equals to 9, and 1 to the power 3 is equal to 1. ऐसे we take here 9 in this 3 term, इन तीनों टर्म से हम 9 कॉमन ले लेंगे, वी टेक 9 कॉमन एंड वी गेट हियर 3q क्यूब प्लस 3q स्क्वायर प्लस q plus 1 and we can write it is 9m plus 1 where m equals to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. Similarly, in the case third, we take case 3, we take x equals to 3q plus 2. बिल्कुल इसी तरह से सिमिलरली वी राइट इट इज x to the power 3 equals to 3q plus 2 whole cube. जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमने इसको फॉर्मूला का यूज किया था, we use the formula this a plus b whole cube. We use same formula here and we write it as 27 cube plus 3 into 3 3 is 27 to the 54 q square plus 3 into 3q into 2, 3 3 is 9 to the 18 q plus 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 8. Now we can write here, we take 9 as common from these 3 terms, we take 9 as common and we get 3q cube plus 9 6 are 54, 6q square plus 2q plus 8 and that is equals to 9m plus 8 where m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 2q. In these 3 cases हम क्या कह सकते हैं यहाँ से कि जो x cube है, hence x cube is the either of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. That's all.